Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue. Issue is that your Apple ID is not active and you're getting the message from the iPhone, from the Apple ID. They're saying that your Apple ID is not active right now. So how you can fix that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So when you're just going to the settings of your iPhone and try to sign in your Apple ID and something going to the security issues, they try to download something app from the App Store and they're saying that your Apple ID is not active right now. So how you can fix that? So just simply follow all these steps. I'm going to tell that in this video to fix that issue. So just going to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. So after that, just go to general section and just going to the software update and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So after that, just go back and just going to the transfer reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on a reset and reset all the settings from here. After that, just again connect with your Wi-Fi and just go back and just power off your iPhone. Just press the power button and the volume up button and just power off your iPhone and again on it. And after signing your Apple ID, just go to the Apple ID and just go to sign in security and just reset your password. So it verify my face, my Apple ID, and they're saying that you just change the password. So just have to change the password from here. Also, you have a two-factor authentication, so just have to do it. So after that, you just again sign in your Apple ID. After that, your problem gonna solve. If your problem not gonna solve, simply contact the Apple support team and tell your problem, and they try to solve the problem in a minimum days. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.